breaking bread together, understanding a classic English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, break bread. This phrase is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means to break bread together. The phrase, break bread, literally refers to the act of breaking a loaf of bread into pieces. Bread, a staple food in many cultures, is often shared during meals. In its most basic sense, breaking bread simply means to eat, especially in a communal setting. This physical act of breaking bread has been a symbol of sharing and hospitality for centuries. Historically, break bread goes beyond just eating. It's a symbol of friendship, hospitality, and peace. In many cultures and religious traditions, sharing bread is a sign of unity and goodwill. When people break bread together, they are not just sharing a meal, they are also sharing companionship and establishing a bond of trust and friendship. In modern English, when someone invites you to break bread, they are often extending a gesture of friendship or welcome. It can also imply a desire for meaningful conversation or a deeper connection. This phrase is used both in formal and informal settings, symbolizing the act of coming together to share not just food, but also ideas and experiences. Let's see some examples. 1. After the meeting, the delegates broke bread together to foster a better relationship. 2. Let's break bread sometime and discuss your plans. 3. While traveling, I had the opportunity to break bread with locals, which was a truly enriching experience. Break bread is a phrase that's rich in meaning and history. It's about much more than eating. It's about sharing, connecting, and building relationships. We hope this exploration of break bread enriches your English vocabulary and helps you understand the cultural depth behind this simple yet powerful phrase. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.